How to create and manage multiple Instagram
सऊदी में
accounts
अमेज़न
without a phone number 2025. Are you trying to separate your personal life from your business or hobby, but Instagram keeps asking for a phone number you've already used? Managing multiple accounts is essential for creators and entrepreneurs in 2025, but you don't need a drawer full of SIM cards to make it happen. Today, I'm going to show you the official, safe, and policy-compliant way to create additional Instagram accounts using only your email, so you can scale your presence without the technical headache. The key to this process is understanding that Instagram's current platform allows for multiple accounts to be tied to a single master login or verified email addresses. We aren't using hacks or temporary burner numbers that get your account banned. We're using the legitimate tools Instagram provides for professional users. Step 1. Use a unique email address. When you go to the Instagram sign-up page, choose the sign up with email option instead of phone. For the best results and account security, use a dedicated Gmail or Outlook address. If you already have an account, don't worry, you can actually add a new one directly through your existing app. Step 2. The Add Account feature. Open your current Instagram profile, long press your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and select Add Account. Choose Create New Account. This method often bypasses the immediate need for a phone number because your identity is already partially verified by your primary account. Step 3. Create a unique username. Instagram will ask you to pick a handle. Even if these accounts are for the same business, each must have a unique username. Once you pick one, follow the prompts to set your password. Step 4. Verification. Instagram will send a 6-digit confirmation code to the email address you provided. Head over to your inbox, grab that code, and enter it into the app. This verifies your identity through email, fulfilling the security requirement without needing a mobile number. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you're in, go to your Account Center settings. Here, you can link your new accounts under one meta identity. This makes switching between them a one-tap process and adds an extra layer of security across all your profiles. Pro tip: if you are creating several accounts for a business, use the Gmail alias trick. If your email is name@gmail.com, you can sign up with name+business@gmail.com. Instagram sees it as a brand new email, but all your verification codes will go to your main primary inbox. This keeps your logins organized without needing 10 different email accounts. Creating a professional digital footprint doesn't have to be complicated. If this guide helped you set up your new page, hit that like button and subscribe for more social media growth strategies. I'd love to know, how many accounts are you managing right now?